Welcome to no-nonsense-booking.com. This video is about setting up dynamic restriction rules in booking.com. First of all, let me quickly show you how you can navigate to that screen, and then I will explain what it actually means. So to access dynamic restriction rules, once you're logged into booking.com Extranet, just go to the rates and availability, and you will see there the fourth option is dynamic restriction rules. And when you click on that, this is the next page. And in here, you will see two options. The first one is the unsold nights, and the second is the gap nights. Now, what is unsold night? This basically means if you want to loosen up your minimum nights stay if they are not sold. For example, if you have set minimum 3 nights on your calendar, and if the dates are approaching, they are 30 days out and they are still not sold, you may want to drop that minimum 3 nights to 2 nights or 1 night just to sell it. And that is a configuration you will do in this unsold nights option. For example, you may want to set 1 night minimum length of stay with no price change, and it will be applicable within 60 days. What it effectively means is anything which is not sold in the immediate 60 days, booking.com will automatically reduce the minimum length of stay to 1 night, and anything beyond the 60 days will still be minimum 3 nights. There are a couple of options. You can increase the price or you can drop the price, or if you don't like the 60 days, you can edit it and choose a 30-day, a 7-day or 14 days, things like that. And you can choose the rate plan and the room type it applies to. And you can also choose an end date when you want this rule to end, right? And the same way comes the gap nights, but gap nights is slightly different. Let's say you have set a minimum of 3 nights in your calendar and you have 2 bookings, one on the left, one on the right, and there are 2 days stuck in between. Those 2 days will become unbookable because of your minimum 3 nights setting. These are also called orphan nights. And if you set this gap nights rule here, as soon as booking.com identifies orphaned nights in your calendar, it will drop the minimum length of stay for those blocked nights to a length which you choose here. For example, you can say drop it to 1 night minimum, and you can optionally try and increase or decrease the price, and you can choose the days and all that. So what it effectively does is it will keep checking within the immediate 60 days if there are any unsold nights which are blocked between 2 bookings and they become unbookable because of your higher minimum nights stay. It will drop it to minimum 1 night, or you can choose it to minimum 2 nights as well. It's just an example I was giving you. And once you are happy with it, just click on continue to review and then just click on confirm. From that moment onwards, as long as you have not entered an end date, booking.com will keep checking your calendar for these 2 kinds of unsold nights and will open it on a rolling basis. I think this is a great option. Many of the dynamic pricing tools offer this feature, but now booking.com has added it within their platform, which is a great feature, I believe, and everyone should use it to maximize your occupancy rates. And that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.